Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Roku TV. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your iPhone and Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, open Settings and check that the Wi-Fi matches the one on your Roku. Next, on your Roku, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, turn AirPlay on. Without this, your TV won't appear when you try to mirror. Now, on your iPhone, swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Look for your Roku TV in the list and tap it. If a code shows up on your TV, enter it on your iPhone. Your screen will appear instantly on the big screen. So, that's basically how you can screen mirror iPhone to Roku TV. That's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.